Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Dazja Jordan. For those of you that are new, and for my returning kinfolks, what's up? Now listen, in today's video we're going to be applying this burgundy wig right here. Yes sis, it is from Amazon, and let me just say this now, this is worth throwing in the cart, okay? So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that little bell on the side so that you can be notified every time your girl drops a new video. Now let's get into it. Now, before we can go in with the wig, I like to start off by the foundation. So I go in with some Eco Style gel to slick back or tame my edges, just so that no glue or anything like that gets on like the longer parts of the hair that I need. So I did start off doing that other method that I see girls on social media doing when they're not using any got-to-be or anything like that, and they're just, you know, using this bold hold glue or something like that to just hold down the cap. I tried it, however I didn't feel comfortable cutting the cap with just the glue, so I decided to go back old school and just mold my cap the way that I know how to, so that I do not mess this wig up, okay? But anyways, you guys, after applying my wig cap, I like to go in with my Black Radiance Soft Focus bronzer or all over face powder, just because it matches my skin tone perfectly. So this is going to give me that bald illusion that I am looking for the foundation of my wig. So yeah, I like this because it's not expensive at all, and it lasts me a while. Like, I've legit had this for like a year. But anyways, you guys, after applying the soft focus bronzer or face powder, whichever of the two it is, one of those two, using my small scissors because my big scissors are nowhere to be found. But anyways, using these little tiny scissors, I like to go ahead and cut any excess of the wig cap from around the I don't want to say perimeter, oh yeah, perimeter, ear to ear, yep. Let's just cut all that excess wig cap off that's not molded and that we do not need. And look at it, y'all, the wig is so nice. So I did wash and condition this wig prior to installing it, and it did really good. I even, you know, cut the little split ends and stuff like that, and y'all, this wig did not disappoint. So if y'all are feeling this burgundy color right here, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Let me know that y'all are feeling it. Y'all like this burgundy right here, because I'm gonna have it in my hair for a little minute. And as a matter of fact, shout out to Supernova Hair for sending me this wig to install and review on my channel. So I really appreciate you guys for sending me this wig. I really like this unit right here. I'm gonna tell y'all that now. So after adjusting my wig, making sure everything is fitting the way that I need it to, not too tight, not too loose on the head, I went back in with that bold hold. And I say back because remember at the beginning of the video I had told you guys that I was trying one of those other methods that I be seeing girls use that didn't work out. So now I'm going to go back in with that bold hold, and I am going to apply it around my hairline. And after, I want this to dry down a little bit, so after applying the glue, I went ahead and used my blow dryer on the cool setting, just so that the products can get a little tacky. And then I went in to apply my wig. Now you guys, I like to apply my wig from the middle then to the ears. So I make sure that middle part is adjusted and down how I like it to be. And then I go in and I do the left side, the right side, or the right side or the left side, whichever side I start with first. But then, you know, I just like to make sure the wig is very secure and not bunched up and everything is just looking smooth. And when I say everything, I mean the lace, I mean the hair. I just need everything to look like scalp. and to align with my real hairline, you know what I'm saying? But with each piece that I held down, you guys can obviously see that I'm using the blow dryer just to make sure that that bold hold is drying up the way that I need it to be. And because it is drying up the way that I need it to be, I needed to also make sure that I was combing any hair out of the way so that just everything looks seamless and very clean. So far, you guys, this bold hold was working out for your girl. I do like how it's clear, how the product is clear, so that really works out perfect when it comes to transparency and this Swiss lace looking like Dazja's scalp, you know what I'm saying? But I did go ahead and use an elastic band to you know, mold down the lace a little bit more. I forgot that the camera wasn't filming when I had to get off and started cutting the lace, so this is just you know, the effects after I realized that I had screwed up and I wasn't filming. But anyways, you guys, I thought that that bold hold was doing your girl right, and then I went to cut my lace and I noticed that like it was ashy and white around my hairline, and I was a bit annoyed. Like, I was really annoyed. So I had to try to figure out a way to make that look different. I had to make it look different, for real. So after you guys, that bold hold really upset me. You have no idea. But anyway, believe me when I say I worked it out. I made everything work out. But on another note, if you guys haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that little bell on the side so that you guys can join the family and be one of the Kinfolks. You feel me? But back to this wig install. So you guys, I ended up going back in with the bold hold, and I was like, you know what, this is clear, we gonna just see what it does. And I just added some to the front of the lace, and I just took the end of a rat tail comb and just smoothing it out. And then I went back in with my blow dryer just to make sure it was dry, and it actually worked out. So, you know, what you do to one side, you gotta do to the other, obviously. And yeah, so look at that, a lesson of the day for somebody. But let's get into the details of this wig, okay? So this wig can be found on Amazon with shipping and handling. It was about $230, which isn't bad for the quality of this wig. So I would honestly say the $230 was worth paying. But anyways, this is the burgundy lace front human hair wig with a 13x4 HD lace that's been pre-plucked already. Y'all, this wig is 20 inches with 180 density, so the thickness is there. I feel like this wig is very beginner friendly. It's very full and very, very smooth from the root on down to the ends, okay? I didn't have any problems with this hair, with shedding or tangling, and like I told you guys earlier in the video, I washed and conditioned this hair and I cut the split ends down at the bottom. So I did a lot of manipulating to this wig prior to you know, installing it, and that does involve obviously, you know, straightening it and adding a little bit of product to it. Not a whole lot, literally just a little bit to, you know, give it a little bit more life for me. But if you ask me, I will say that this wig is a 10 out of 10. And if you are on Amazon and you are looking for a burgundy wig, I will say throw this one in the cart, honestly. And again, this wig is from Supernova store on Amazon, and of course I will link the link in the description box down below, so that if you are interested, it is easy access for you to get this wig. You know what I'm saying? But as for these baby hairs, I like to go in with the olive oil wig grip gel, castor oil. It's kind of like a lace adhesive a little bit. See, y'all, I was really skeptical of that bold hold. I was like, man, I need my wig to last, because you know, I'm a mom on the go. I need my wigs to last me at least like a couple of days or so, you know what I'm saying? But the wig grip, the olive oil wig grip, definitely helps. I use it when I apply my synthetic wigs, and baby, it's the real deal. I love it. I love it a lot. So I decided to use it on this wig, and I just like to take a little bit of it, squeeze it on my finger, and I like to apply it onto you know, my little baby hair, and then I like to do my thing swooping. So is it crazy that the only thing that I have to invite the fall into my life is this burgundy wig? I have not been shopping for fall decor or anything like that, and I'm kind of sad about it. So I feel like I need a little, you know, retail therapy, but I haven't been in the mood to spend money on things that I don't necessarily need. You know, like if it's not a need, I just feel like, why am I buying it a little bit? You know, so I guess I don't need fall decorations. I just kind of want some fall decorations, but this wig just might be as good as it gets for the fall, and I just might decorate for Christmas. So I know that was random, but as I was sitting here looking at this burgundy wig, I was like, dang, this is as fall as it gets for your girl. So I just insert random thought. So yeah, y'all go ahead and forgive me on that one. But anyways, if you are still here and you guys are liking this burgundy wig, if y'all are liking how I apply it, how I'm swooping my baby hairs, anything, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button so that you can be a part of the family, okay? So I don't know if it was me or not, but I did feel like the lace wasn't as transparent as I wanted it to be. So I did go in with some more of that Black Radiance Soft Focus powder, and I just applied it on all the parts of the lace that were showing. I just wanted it to be a little bit more skin light, closer to my skin. And then with the way that bold hold did me throughout this process, I just felt like, you know, I needed a little extra help in some areas. But anyways, you guys, here is the look. I appreciate you guys so much for stopping by my channel and watching this crazy wig install. And yeah, y'all know I had to take it up a notch, go and do the makeup. But anyways, you guys, thank you so much again for watching, and I will see y'all in my next video. Peace.